Keep your vertical clips sharp after any upload across all platforms. Stop uploading content that looks blurry and soft right away. Let's fix this right now inside a popular video editing software. First, set your project timeline to 1080 by 1920 resolution. Export one file using YouTube's basic H.264 codec at 8 megabits. That standard control export often appears noticeably dull upon processing. To compensate for softness, we will add a touch of counter-sharpening now. Dial in just a bit of detail boost before rendering this optimized file. For the second file, switch the container to QuickTime using H.265. Increase the bitrate cap to 12,000 kilobits per second for better data. Always select the main 10 profile for richer color and tonal information. Now let's load both rendered exports side by side for a direct check. The H.264 is clearly softer, with muted colors losing fine edge detail. The H.265 version clearly maintains better texture in fabric and flyaway hairs. After platform compression, the H.265 file remains much closer to the original 4K source. H.265 keeps detail efficiently, but verify your specific platform supports it first. Since platforms always re-encode, better source quality gives your hard work a chance. Doing this manual export process for every short creates tedious, repetitive workflow pain. This is where workflow automation tools like Vizard step in to truly help. It can automatically find the best highlight moments from long videos for ready clips. Then set it to auto-schedule those new clips based on your preferred posting frequency. Everything is organized neatly in one central content calendar view for you. Basic phone editors often compress too hard or lack these smart scheduling features. Other cloud tools may nickel and dime you per export or lack a unified planning calendar. Tools that only trim well don't truly scale when you need high-volume posting. Vizard is built for volume, combining automated clip selection with cross-platform scheduling. It is meant to take the daily grunt work off your plate, not replace detailed color grading. So pair these smart export settings with automation to consistently win the compression fight. Try these specific settings yourself and see the quality difference immediately. If you post shorts frequently, test Vizard to drastically speed up your entire posting process. Drop any specific setting questions in the comments, and please like and subscribe for more tips.